Okay guys, so basically I got sent this honey blonde 1B and 27 ombre wig. It's a glueless front lace bob wig, and it's straight, and it is also human hair, okay, from nabeauty.com. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. This is the box that it came in, and once you open it up, of course, you have your wig in here. Just gonna put that to one side, and in here you get your wig cap, and there's 2 wig caps in there, and it's in the nude color just there. You also get tweezers, which comes in really handy, you know, for some people do like to pluck, etc, etc. And it also has this really thick band here, which you can always use to tighten your wig. So we're gonna get into this hair, and I'm gonna see how I can style it, and just to review it to see how easily I can style this piece. All right, let's get into it. First reaction on this one is pretty much a wow. So it looks pretty crazy right now because of the lace front, but let me tell you, right, it feels really soft, like really soft. I mean, just look at the movement on that. Just look at the movement on that. And because it's 10 inches, I don't really want it to be too thick. Like, I don't want it to be too thick. I don't really want it to like weigh down my head or anything like that. But this bad boy here is absolutely gorgeous. I didn't really need to do a lot of plucking, and the plucking wasn't difficult at all because the hair came right out. This bad boy ain't stiff or stubborn at all. This hair is so lush. Like, I can't get over how soft it is. I know right now it looks crazy because I've still got the lace front on it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut the lace front, and then we can really see the beauty of this bad girl right here, because you can see potential. By the way, that was just Ghost Bond. I like this one because it doesn't stick that hard, and I can easily take it off. I just put a little bit of my foundation on the lace because I want it to look as natural as possible. You know how these things go. I didn't even wait for it to get like totally dry before I put it on, because it's just long, innit? Move it back a little bit. I feel like it's a bit forward. I'm absolutely loving this hair already. Girls, you guys need to get into this. A lot of you have been asking about me doing reviews. Get into this one. I can't believe how soft this hair is. And for hair that's only 150 density. So I'm just gonna tie my little, listen, it's not really a lace thing, but I'm gonna use it, okay? I did a good job with this plucking. What? I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the lace. I'm gonna go back in with this wrap just to make sure everything is sitting perfectly. So whilst that is melting, whilst I'm melting my lace, I'm just gonna go ahead with the straighteners. Where's the hairbrush at? Okay. And the hair is pretty much straight, but I'm just going over it just to get rid of any wrinkles as such. Take this off. Wow, wow, wow. This hair is everything. And I've like hardly done anything to it. Okay, so I'm absolutely feeling this look here, this style. I can't find my, what's it called? The wax, okay? It's too late for me to go rummaging through my room, through my stuff, because everybody's asleep. Everyone's asleep. So I can't find my little waxing thing, but literally what I will do next is get my little waxing, I don't even know what you call it. Oh, I'll literally just use it to go over the flyaways just there. But that's one style and how I would definitely rock this hair. Rock it like this, yeah. I'll definitely rock it like this. This is so cute. How cute is this style? How cute is this? Okay, maybe like this, maybe like this. All right. Yes, cutie, cutie. And then I'll bring this bit in more, like that. Oh, I'm burning my hand. Woo! Yes, yes. This is cute. I purposely didn't do any baby hair on this side, and I did just a little bit of baby hair here, just to give you like a little idea of, you know, what you could do with it. I can't believe how gorgeous this hair is. Again, this one is a cutie, this one is a cutie. It's giving me like 90s vibe, cutie baby girl vibe. That's the type of vibe I'm getting. This is a bit of May. This is a bit of May, honestly. I just need to work on this a little bit here, but I'm sure you guys get it. I'm sure you guys get it. And let's try middle parting. In fact, I like this one too. What? You know them accident hairstyles, like this one was an accident. Oh. 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 What'd it do? Oh. Oh. I absolutely can't. You guys can see I'm giving you guys looks after looks after looks after looks. And look at the bounce on that. Look at the bounce on this bad boy. Look at the bounce on that. Oh, MG. Look at the bounce on that. You can't make this up. You can't. This is a bit of me. This is me. This is me. All autumn. Yes, this is absolutely gorgeous. I think this is my favorite look. You guys can tell I'm feeling this one a little bit too much. You guys can tell. Let's see what the middle parting is saying. Can't wait to take some gorgeous pictures in this hair. And there we have it for the middle parting. But I just can't believe the life and just how much you can do with this wig. It's just unbelievable. Like I just can't believe it. This wig is absolutely gorgeous, guys. Make sure you check out the link in the description box for all the details. I gave you like what, 4 or 5 different looks, I think, with this one wig, just to show you how versatile it is, just to show you how manageable it is as well. It's so manageable, and you can definitely wash this one as well. But this wig is literally giving me life. I can't stop touching it. Like, that's how amazing it actually feels. Every style that I'm putting this wig in, it's literally just falling into place. It's absolutely just, it's like a magic trick. It's like a magic trick. It's so grown, it's so sexy, it's so affordable, it's so easy to take care of as well. And because it's giving you that shoulder length, it's so easy to manage as well. I can't believe this one. She is absolutely gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. I love this one. It just bounces into place. Like, it just bounces into place. It's absolutely gorgeous. If you guys enjoyed this video, please do not forget to give me a massive big thumbs up. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Do not forget to turn on the bell. Click onto that bell. That will turn on all your post notifications so you don't miss out on nothing on this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you share, comment, like, and subscribe. subscribe to my channel. My name is Diamond, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye.